You have probably woken up one day and found out that a YouTuber's channel is hosting Elon Musk live talking about some cryptocurrency or some shit. Well, this channel is hacked, and in this video I'm gonna break down how they get hacked and how MrBeast might be a victim. As you might know, MrBeast has been accused of the following: faking videos and tricking events, giving rewards and prizes to his friends and family, having fake contestants in videos, using CGI in a dishonest and misleading way, using giveaways targeted at children which in reality are illegal lotteries, and the list goes on and on. Dogback404 made the original video, I'll leave the link in the description. But imagine this, you are a YouTuber. You wake up to an email from some company that seems legit. They want you to try their yet to be released software. And then they'll pay you some kind of money. Yay, right? No, not yay. This is one of the ways that a hacker might get you. When you open the file, the hacker gets access to all of your credentials and login tokens, and just like that, they got you. Some more ways are phishing emails, websites, reuse of passwords, and using weak passwords in general. This will make the channel vulnerable, even if it has a strong password. But how do you protect yourself from such attacks? You don't have to be a YouTuber. How do you protect any account? Like your Valorant account, your Netflix, whatever. Absolutely never use passwords for any systems you care about. And always use two-factor authentication. It should be application-based. It's kind of better than SMS. I mean, they can bypass the SMS two-factor authentication. Use a password manager, which automatically generates a random string of characters, which is a strong password. It's brute force attack resistant. Also, if you like cybersecurity content, please consider subscribing for more. See you in the next video.